Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can create animated flip cards. Okay, so first of all I have created two frames. Okay, one you will be needing for the front side of the card and the second you will be needing for the back side of the card. Okay, now I have added some text also here. So here are some changes I'll be adding in the text so that it's little bit different from this card. Okay. Uh, For example, I'll just add here a heading or backside. Okay, I'll just add backside, and this I'll be naming as front side. Okay, just for example. Okay, and let this text be same. Okay, so now first of all what I'll be doing is I'll just click on this one. Okay, and just hold on shift key, and then click on, and just click on the H key on your keyboard. Okay, done. Okay, now this is done. Now reverse this thing. Okay, reverse the text here. Now by the same process, hold on shift key and then H. Okay, done. Now just change the position of this one as it was before. Okay, check the alignment. Okay, that's it, done. Okay, so this is you have to do this, and then you just duplicate it. Okay, after duplicating, just turn the sides. Okay, just swap the, so here this will be the front. Just change the label name, no need to change the this text. This will be the back. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now what you do is you just select both of them. Okay, and now click on this and then hold on shift and then click on the back card also. Then click on this align horizontal centers. That's it. Now the second thing you are going to do is just select both the cards and then make them horizontally centered aligned. Okay, that's it. Now select this one. Okay, just make sure both of them are selected here, both the frames together they are selected. Okay, now click on the create component. Okay, that's it. Now here also same thing, select both the cards and then click on create component. That's it. Okay, now just do one thing, select both of these components. Okay, and then click on this combine as variants. Okay, that's it. Now connect them, and then it should be while hovering, and then it should be smart animate. Okay, that's it. I'll select a frame, for example a phone I'll be in. Okay, so this I want. Okay, alt and then move it inside the frame. Okay, now I'll see whether it's working. Okay, so this is working. I'll zoom it. Let me know if you have any doubts regarding this. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you have liked this tutorial. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.